Need a place to organize and share client information, projects, and more? I've built a client portal page inside Notion that you can use for free. Inside my agency dashboard, I have a CRM with a portal page for each client. With Notion, I have the ability to create any type of tool inside this page. For example, I have a section that allows me to track monthly performance, record feedback, and create a next steps checklist. At the bottom of the page, I have a project's timeline where I can collaborate and assign work to team members or the client, as well as set deadlines, create project tasks, and keep track of progress. Notion offers many possible ways to record and display data. You also have the option to embed other software and apps into the page, such as Figma, Typeform, Slack, and Dropbox. The portal page can easily be shared with clients or team members so they can collaborate or view. You can get instant access to the free portal page or full agency dashboard by following the links in the description. Thanks for watching.